choice from Keheng battery. Today, I will show you our 12 volts 100 mAh battery with Bluetooth function. This is the battery case. Inside of the case, the major parts are prismatic cells and smart BMS. You can see 4 pieces cells connect in series, and the smart BMS can offer the protection of overcurrent, overcharge, or discharge over temperature. Come closer, you can see there is a chip on the BMS, which can send the battery status to your mobile phone. And this is the wires which can connect the LCD display. You can download our Bluetooth app at the App Store, Google Play, or by scan QR code. In this way, you can know your battery status at any time on your phone. No need to carry the multi-parameter anymore. On the other hand, the portion of glue and gel which can support your battery from shock-proof and IP65 waterproof. Nowadays, the lead-acid replacement battery is very popular in the market. Lithium battery has same structure specifications as lead-acid battery. Comparatively, lithium battery have unique advantages of high safety, good quality, long cycle life, and lightweight. With these advantages, it is used on many applications such as RV, marine, scooter, tricycles, emergency lighting, and security monitoring. In a word, the battery is the ideal working replacement solution for traditional lead-acid batteries used on existing markets. If you have any other questions, please keep informed of us.